Hola, day 2 in Quito. We're in the room, which is there's Nelly. This is my bed, and then that's Nelly's bed. But yeah, nice bunk beds, and it's very, very nice and easy here. Um, it's like 11:30, but we haven't done anything exciting. We've been sitting on the computer. Went upstairs, had breakfast, and now we've been sitting on the computer for the last couple hours planning out the next week and a bit.
Mm-hmm.
So we're going to the Amazon. So tomorrow night we're on a 9-hour bus to the Amazon,
Woo!
and then get back, stay in Quito one more night. Then we take a bus down to Cotopaxi. We're staying there a couple nights. Then we'll take a bus to Quito. I don't know if I'm saying that right. Probably not. And then we're gonna do like a 4-day hike around there. And then after that, I think we're gonna make our way down to Baños, then Cuenca, and then back up to Quito, fly to the Galapagos, and then fly back to Quito, then fly to Lima. I think this is all very rough at the moment.
Yeah.
We're slowly starting to book stuff in,
Yeah.
but trying to keep it as loose as possible, with just the main things being booked in.
Yeah.
But yeah, looking at volunteering in the Galapagos, but I've put the feelers out. I've messaged someone about that. I'm waiting to hear back on that, so should be good. And yeah, we're gonna go to the Basilica later today, so we'll definitely show you that. And at the moment, that's about it.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm out of breath. We're walking to the Basilica. Don't think you can tell, but it is quite a steep walk up here. And I'm struggling with the altitude and the unfitness. But we make do. But yeah, it's a beautiful street.
And all the colorful houses.
Yeah. Here's the view down. Oh yeah, nice walk. We booked everything in now for the next 2 weeks. Yeah. Oh, and we get our first view up close to the Basilica, right there. Oh no, okay, I need a second. It's bad. I'm dying. Nellie's not impressed. Oh, but yeah, we'll show you when we're there. Oh, there's the Basilica. So we're gonna go up the towers. It's a $4 entry fee US. So nice and cheap. Yeah, look at that. That's just insane. Okay, I'll show you inside. We're inside the Basilica now, and it's just insane. Like, I don't think any film will do this justice, but it is incredible. The stonework, the arching, just absolutely stunning. And we've got the whole place to ourselves, so don't mind filming a bit. Entry was only $2 each, yeah. But yeah, I was just taking it all in. The stained glass is just incredible. Okay, we'll see what it's going to take to climb these towers. Fun. I'm dying. The stairs are a lot. We climbed up. We're on floor 2 and I'm dead. about 4 flights of stairs. There's Nelly. Here's the organ. The view, which is incredible. And now we're in the upper level of the church. Let's have a look. Look at that. Just absolutely incredible. The view. Absolutely insane. We're on the next floor. Took a 5-minute breather because I was out of breath as shit. But look at that. Look at that view.
Shut
Just incredible. So we're walking inside like the pointed roof, I guess.
Oh, that sounds cool.
So this is like the roof of the church down here. Or their internal roof. And then this is the external roof. So yeah. I think there's a tower up here. And then we'll go to one of the big ones, or both of the big ones after. What do you think, Nelly? Worth a $4 entry?
Hell yeah.
Oh yeah, I don't know if we mentioned, we got the $2 was actually just for the bottom level.
Still worth it.
Still worth it.
But just be careful.
But if you just want the thing, it's $4 and it's at the front. But that's not bad. But yeah, we'll see you at the top. And just up on the roof. Look at how steep this is. There is no cable or anything holding you up there. Just straight up vertically climbing up with fuck all safety. I will do it. I don't want to do it, but I will do it. And I'm not going to have the camera in my hand, that's for sure.
We just made it to the top of the back section.
Yeah, that vertical climb.
Pelita did it. Well done. Oh, sorry.
Go back. Go back. I'm scared of heights when I'm not strapped in. Skydiving, fine. Like climbing whatever with ropes attached, like high rock climbing, absolutely fine. But climbing with no ropes and a death fall, not a big fan of that. Even if it is stairs.
They were quite steep.
Yeah. But yeah, it's worth the view.
How much did you get for one?
360.
There's a little cafe halfway up the tower where they do juices and this is cacao beans, roasted cacao beans with vanilla, and these are, I'm not sure, but yeah, this is the juice. Chanel is Chanel is going to ask what the juice is called.
The fruit is called a naranjilla.
Naranjilla.
Naranjilla. So the
Chanel.
roll the R, the J
Yeah.
is here. It sounds like an H.
Yeah, naranjilla.
And the L, the double L is a what do you call it? Almost silent.
Yeah. So, try it. Very good.
Yeah. What does it taste similar to? Give it a bit of a mix. That's good. We did forget to ask. I don't know if you said, but without sugar. So it's probably got a bit of added sugar in it.
Yeah.
Because apparently everyone adds sugar into their drinks. Oh yeah, that's good. That's refreshing.
Yeah.
It's a bit citrusy, and then it's got a little bit of like a sweetness to it, but it's more citrusy. We like it. Naranjilla.
Naranjilla juice. Alright. Let me go first impressions. Oh wait, I'm gonna stir it first.
Oh. It's in your mustache.
Oh wow.
It's really refreshing, especially after doing the walk.
What is that?
It's this. Naranjilla.
It tastes very familiar.
Right?
Oh wow, that's very good. Very good. Anyway, we'll be going up soon after our juice. But yeah.
We are now on top of the clock.
Basilica Tower.
Yeah, but on top of the clock.
On top of the clock. So I think, yeah. So over here is the other tower, identical. But would you just look at that view? The houses just go forever. That is a statue up there on that hill of Mary, the angel. Mary, Mother of God, but with wings. And then over here we're going to Nellie's favourite, which is the mountains. Which is absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Anyway. I think we got some downtown over here. Oh yeah, this is a good one. We climbed that one before. You can see everyone climbing it now. Yeah. Anyway, we're gonna go go get some food and then go back to that stuff. But yeah, see ya.
We're on the rooftop again, and Palita is getting the drone out ready, which is very exciting. We haven't done it yet. Oh, wow. Look at timing. I don't know if you can see that because I don't think it's dark enough, but there are fireworks.
That's the first time I've seen fireworks. Like day, night, evening.
That was nicely short-lived. We don't know if that was an accident because you could barely see it. Anyway, back to the story. Jackson's getting the drone out ready. We've asked if it's okay. For the most part, we know it's okay. He asked the workers, they said it. We just
Fly near the
presidential
palace.
palace, which is that way, but to fly it that way is all fine. So we'll see how it goes.
altitude. We need to put that way down. Hola.
Hola.
We just came back from dinner. We got Chinese food in Ecuador,
Yeah.
as you do.
Not that that was the plan, but it was more of it was getting dark and I panicked and said let's go here.
Yeah, we don't want to be on the streets too long at night.
Yeah. Couldn't film anything.
Yeah, I had Google Translate on my phone to take see the menu properly, and he was like, no photos. I'm like, I'm not taking a photo of your menu. He goes, no photos. I was like, I'm translating it to English. He says, no photos. I'm like, okay.
Anyway.
It is what it is.
Yeah, so
But it was
large portions.
decent, not the best Chinese.
Yeah.
Don't expect great Chinese in Ecuador though.
No. But better than I thought.
But I paid $4 US, $4.50 US for a big, massive plate of rice.
Yeah.
And then you paid like
$5.30, I think mine was.
And that was like twice the size of mine. It came with rice, noodles, vegetables, and meat.
All meat. Yeah. Mixed meat. So it was very good. In terms of that. But yeah. Then we just walked home. There's a lot of police out on the street.
Yeah, we got a police escort home without asking for one, which was nice. Felt a bit safer.
Yeah, it was just a bunch of them walking behind us, that's all. Like, coincidentally in the same direction, not that we did anything.
To be fair, they did turn around, so for all we know, they actually did escort us home.
Oh, they went, oh, look, 2 foreigners, we should probably...
yeah, it's possible. We'll never know.
Oh, were they the ones we walked past?
Yeah.
I went, oh, okay.
Yeah, so they might have, but yeah. Anyway, now we're back at the hostel. What's the time?
Let me have a look. It is 7:30.
7:30. Might go upstairs for a bit, might just chill, we'll see. Yeah, that's it at the moment. So we've somehow been roped into drinking games on a rooftop in Quito right now. Say hola!
This is your team.
Yeah. Teams of 4, yeah.
What?
No, I'm good. I need a break. Game number 2. Ellie's doing a drinking game.
Sorry. Muy bien.
They got told off for doing it that way.
Con los labios. Con los labios. No, así. Eso. Sopla. Don't touch it. ¡Qué bien! ¡Experto! ¡Muy bien! ¡Eso no ¡Eso refuerza la amistad! ¡Vamos! ¡Dos cartas! ¡Dale! ¡Tres cartas!
think they lost. Nelly's team lost. Hola. It's bedtime. It's 11, 10:45, 11. Yeah.
Oh shit. Yeah, it's curfew time.
It's curfew.
Not that
They're closing the bar upstairs.
Yeah, 11.
Yeah. So yeah, we're gonna bed. We will see you tomorrow. Bye.
Bye.